if you lose everything,
Yes.
the whatever achievements you made till now,
Yeah.
what's the first step that you are going to take to regain that achievement?
To regain that achievement. Okay, so see, achievements like success and failures, there's nothing like a failure, you know. You either you learn or you win or you learn. So even if I have lost so much in life, I have learned so much from whatever failures and successes that I have got. It is those lessons that I want to regain more than my achievements or trophies or anything. And in life, it's not definitely about achievements. There are so many people who have much less than what you have. Okay, only when you lose something do you know the importance of losing. It's about being happy with whatever you have. I would not do anything to regain those. I would make myself ready for the next ones.
Madam, when you were a child, what kind of particular aim you had?
Okay, I always wanted to be in service, like being a doctor was definitely my childhood dream, because I was someone who was like, I don't know, at that age I somehow liked Mother Teresa. And I used to read about a lot of eminent personalities, be it APJ Abdul Kalam sir, be it Sachin Tendulkar. I used to be inspired by those huge trophies that they got. I also wanted that at some point of stage, but I didn't know how to go about. I wanted to be like them, but I don't know which path to take and what to become. So all I did was just utilizing the opportunities which the world has given me, and just moving about with a disciplined life every day. That was my thing. Right from my childhood, I always woke up early in the morning. My discipline is what made me stand today.
And who motivated you, madam, on that time?
My mom. So my mom is someone who actually, you know, she worked in US for like 2 years, and then she gave up her job and then she came back for me. So right from my 8th standard, like she's completely given up on her dreams just to fulfill my dreams. Without her, I am just nothing.
Who is your inspiration?
My inspiration, as I said, it's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir, because it's he who inspired me to be going to all the colleges and schools and inspiring the youth. He used to do that, and he actually inspired me to be doing what I'm doing right now.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
I would like to ask that didn't you ever get diverted from your goal?
From my goal, okay. So I think for us, the biggest diversion that we ever can have is our cell phones and our social media. That's the only that's the biggest diversion I can say. Maybe because I didn't have a phone or a computer till my MBBS 3rd year, it helped me a lot. It helped me not getting diverted. But at this present stage, I think it is a necessity to have it. But it's about, you know, if you really want to win something, then you yourself will channelize your time, put it aside, and then utilize your time properly. You know how much time you want to use on your phone. You know how much time you have to study. So it's about how determined you are to actually win your goal.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Welcome.